Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Cybertalk YouTube channel and your host Rahman is with you. Today I'm going to talking about the comparing Canadian car insurance quote online. তো আজকে আমরা আছি rates.ca ইন্স্যুরেন্স ইকুয়াল কুয়েট এই ওয়েবসাইটটিতে। এটি একটা ইন্স্যুরেন্স ব্রোকার ওয়েবসাইট। আপনারা চাইলে ওয়েবসাইটটি ভিজিট করে আরো ডিটেইলে জানতে পারেন। সো অন দিস পেজ হোয়াট ইজ কার ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোয়েট, এই জিনিসগুলো কিন্তু এই ওয়েবসাইটের মধ্যে আছে। আমি একটা একটা করে আজকে আপনাদেরকে ডিসক্রাইব করার চেষ্টা করব। তো চ্যানেলে নতুন হয়ে থাকলে অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি ক্লিক করে দিতে পারেন পরবর্তী ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশন পাওয়ার জন্য। সাবস্ক্রাইব করা থাকলে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। সো হোয়াট ইজ এ কার ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোয়েট? A car insurance quote estimate your premium for a car insurance policy. Insurance companies calculate the quote using the information you provide, such as your age, car you drive, driving history, and postal code. Every insurer uses a unique formula to calculate your car insurance quote. So even if you provide the same information to different insurance company, no two quote will look the same. আপনি একই ইনফরমেশন যদি দুটো ইন্স্যুরেন্স ব্রোকারকে আপনি প্রোভাইড করেন, তারপরে দুটো একই রকম হবে না, কারণ এক এক ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানি আপনাকে এক এক রকম স্কিম আপনাকে প্রোভাইড করবে। So after applying for a policy, an insurance company's next step is to figure out how much risk you pose to them. What is the likelihood of you getting into a car accident, and how expensive will the damage be? Insurance company use roughly the sum methodology to assess the risk. Here are the main things that insurance influence your rate. Your age, your forward sortation area, the first three letter of your postal code, how long you have had your license, the type of car you're looking to insurance, your insurance history, and addition to the criteria above, car insurance company in Ontario can also use the following factor to calculate your rate. Your gender and your license level is absolutely depending on your answer. Insurers will place you a specific rating group, people with similar profile. Your rating group determine how much you pay for coverage. So insurance companies have an ideal customer they want to attract. Most insurers reserve their lowest rate for experienced drivers over 50. On the other hand, some companies are willing to assume more risk, so they offer inexperienced drivers coverage and competitive rates. You can tell which insurer will provide you with the lowest rate based on their advertisement. It's better to compare rate from multiple insurance companies. Use our car insurance calculator to calculate and compare your auto insurance quote from 50 plus Canadian car insurance companies all add-ons to find your best quote. So factors that affect your car insurance quote: vehicle type, the type of vehicle you drive impacts the premiums you pay. Some cars are associated with additional risk, including their likelihood of being stolen, how much they cost to repair, and their safety rating and feature. There is also some perceived behavior risk associated with the different vehicle. Insurers are the most more willing to offer low rates to drive with sensible cars. As a result, when shopping for insurance, you might notice your dad's 10 years old minivan suddenly seems more appealing. Commute distance, how much you drive will also affect your premiums, which is why insurer always ask for anticipated vehicle uses. The less you drive, the cheaper your car insurance premium is. The more you drive, the higher your chance to being involved in a car accident and the more you will have to pay for insurance. Driving history individual with clean driving histories can expect to pay lower premiums than those with tricks. So the demographics, where you live make a difference. Area with higher occurrence of theft and collision result in higher premiums. Your age can also come into pay. Driver age 25 or older will generally pay less to insurance a vehicle. Statistics show that younger, less experienced drivers are more likely to be involved in traffic collisions. So coverage type, the large the scope of the coverage and the higher the coverage limit you choose, the more you will pay for insurance. The deductible with which is the amount you must pay out of pocket following a claim also influence your insurance premium. The insurer will offer a cheaper rate if you are willing to if you are willing to take on more risk with a higher deductible. Discounts, more insurance companies will provide discounts if you meet specific criteria. For example, if you have winter tires or more than one vehicle, you may be eligible for discount. When you get quit with RATESDOTCA, we ask the same question as the insurer to ensure you are getting a lowest possible price. Age and gender, teen and 20 something pay the most for car insurance. Within the demographics, male can expect to pay significantly more than females. By age 35 and beyond, the difference between men and women mostly over, and that said, man should expect to pay a little more for the coverage. Insurance companies are allowed to set their own rates for non binary drivers, but only if it's in line with what has been approved by provincial regulator. Insurance providers often charge the low and the average male or female rates. So, who provides car insurance quotes? Insurance broker. Brokers sell insurance, but they are not tied to an insurance company. Broker are self-employed professionals who can show you quotes from multiple companies. It's the old school way to on pro of using a broker. They still work in person. The downtown, the insurance agent, director, writers, insurance company site. এখানে ইন্স্যুরেন্স প্রোভাইডার হচ্ছে ইন্স্যুরেন্স ব্রোকার, তাদের মাধ্যমে ইন্স্যুরেন্স নিতে পারেন। ইন্স্যুরেন্স এজেন্সি আছে, ডিরেক্ট রাইটার্স আছে এবং ইন্স্যুরেন্স কোম্পানির যে ওয়েবসাইটগুলো আছে সেখান থেকেও কিন্তু আপনারা কোয়েট সাবমিট করে ইন্স্যুরেন্সগুলো রিসিভ করতে পারেন। তো ভিডিওটি যারা দেখলেন সবাইকে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ। পরবর্তী ভিডিও দেখার আমন্ত্রণ রইল। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন।